Hello learners, welcome to Vista Heights Online School, where we make learning simple, practical and fun. Today we are beginning an exciting topic in mathematics, fractions. Fractions are everywhere, in food, in money, and in measurements. And today, I want you to see how easy they can be. So grab your jotter, your pen, and let's get started. Now imagine this. You buy a pizza and cut it into 8 equal slices. If you eat 2, how much have you eaten? Write it down quickly in your jotter. Yes, 2 out of 8, which we write as 2 over 8. That's a fraction. Fractions simply show parts of a whole. The number at the top is called the numerator, and it tells us how many parts you have. The number at the bottom is the denominator, which tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Let's look at some examples together. Example 1. If I cut one orange into 2 equal parts and I take 1, that's 1 out of 2. If I cut another orange into 4 equal parts and I take 2, that's 2 out of 4. Now write both in your jotter. Now compare 1 over 2 and 2 over 4. They look different, but they are actually the same amount. We call them equivalent fractions. Example 2. Let's try with numbers. Write down 1 over 3. Now multiply top and bottom by 2. What do you get? Yes, 2 over 6. Multiply again by 3 and you get 3 over 9. So 1 over 3, 2 over 6, 3 over 9 are all equivalent fractions. Now it's your turn. In your jotter, write 3 equivalent fractions for 1 over 4. I'll give you a moment. Did you write 2 over 8, 3 over 12, and 4 over 16? Perfect. That means you are following along. Let's quickly recap. Fractions show parts of a whole. Equivalent fractions are fractions that look different but represent the same value. To get equivalent fractions, multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now this was just a short introduction to fractions. For the full lesson, work examples and exercises, get the Vista High Study Guide in the description, whether you are in class 4, class 5 or class 6 or even JHS. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.